This is polyskeletal electron pair theory. By use this formula we can find out the how many number of electron pairs in each boron cluster. According to Wade's rule, the skeletal electron pair, or also we can say framework electron pair or cage bonding electron pair. Here we will see clozo, nido, arachino, hypo, clado, boron. Clozo boron formula is n plus 1 and nido n plus 2, arachino n plus 3, hypo n plus 4, clado n plus 5. Here n is number of boron atoms present in each boron cluster. Here I can give some examples, which is B2H6 diboron, that is nido boron. Nido formula is n plus 2, so we can put the formula here, and n means number of boron. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 electron pairs.